Most beginners drain their deposits, and this is not an accident. But if you trade binary options and have already realized that you cannot last long without a clear system, this video is especially for you. Hello everyone. You are on the Ryan Trade channel. Today, I will show you my personal method of accelerating a deposit on the Pocket Options broker with a time frame of 15 seconds. I will try to explain everything as simply and clearly as possible so that each of you can understand and apply this method in practice. The video is perfect for both beginners and more experienced traders. So let's not hesitate and start trading before the start of the trading session. I always recommend setting a candlestick chart type. This is the most optimal chart on this broker. In intervals, I chose 15-second candlesticks to trade and conduct technical analysis. Today, we will use them. I have only $500 on deposit, so aim this video to boost your deposit to at least $1,500. I'll show you later which tool I can use to do this. But for now, I'm coming to the choice of currency pairs. We trade on OTC mode, adding stable currency pairs with increased profitability on this broker. After adding currency pairs to favorites, we will currently be able to monitor the returns on these assets. If the yield falls right during trading, we will change currency pairs to other ones and trade on them already. I'm betting on the Euro-British pound. Let's do a little technical analysis here. I will immediately mark the last maximum of the price here with a horizontal line. We see that the price could not go above this zone. Previously, our price was in a downward trend. I also determined the last minimum value here. Right now, impulses towards higher care are prevailing in the market. Many traders would then open higher here. But this strategy is based on trading with the verification of technical analysis, using signals from a bot with artificial intelligence. I'll share this finding with you using my own example, show you how I use it to consistently earn money on this broker, and double-check my technical analysis using an e-bot. This bot is absolutely free. All information about it is in the Telegram channel at the link in the description. But we are moving on to configuring this tool. After launching via the Telegram channel, we just need to select the trading mode in the transaction parameters. We are trading on OTC mode today. I am switching to it. There is also a video about Forex mode on my YouTube channel, so feel free to come and watch this tutorial. Well, we are moving towards choosing our asset. Euro-British pound is on our screen. We have already conducted a small technical analysis on this asset. I add this currency pair to my instrument and proceed to choosing the expiration time of the trade. We trade on 15-second switches. We choose this expiration time. I also remind you that there is a video about 5-second-minute switches on my YouTube channel. I click on the signal generation and wait for the technical analysis of this bot. In a matter of seconds, the bot performs the entire technical analysis on this asset for us, after which it gives us a sell signal. Opening with a confidence of 59% downwards from the local maximum, the pullback movements will have to prevail on this asset again. The bot informs us about this with 59% confidence. Downward impulses continue in the market. There is the first increase, and the perfect entry point is in our pocket. The bot copes with its task perfectly here. There is a first deposit increase of $155. I'm not going to stop there. I restart this tool and move on to my selected assets. I switch to the Canadian dollar and the Japanese yen. Let's show you the full power of this bot. Without technical analysis, we will open in OTC mode on the Canadian dollar and the Japanese yen. Anyone can trade with this bot. Believe my experience. The main thing is to open with precision to the second, without adding transactions to overlap. Simply select the desired trading mode, the desired currency pair, expiration time, and carefully wait for the signal from this instrument. Technical analysis is underway. The bot gives us an LLC signal. Sales of our deal are opening along this downward trend line with 63% confidence. The pullback movement immediately begins to prevail in the market. Along the descending trend line, the price continues its active movement here. In a matter of seconds, there is another increase, and now $809 is on our deposit. A flawless trading session. There are already 2 entry points to the Pliocene. With 63% confidence, the bot is giving us the next right signal here. I'm not going to stop there. I'm trading for Euro-Japanese yen. I fully trust this tool, as I have been trading with it for 3.5 months. During this period of time, I earned over $10,000, and all this is not a joke, but only artificial intelligence on this broker. I repeat once again, the main thing is to open on time on the signal, without adding transactions to the overlap. You will get a stable increase to the deposit. We also have a sell signal with 66% confidence on pullback movements from the local price maximum, opening downwards. I am waiting for another increase to my deposit here. Plus, we receive $155 from each entry point. Rollback movements prevail. There is another increase, and now we have $964 on deposit. I boldly restart this bot and move on through my assets. I open on different currency pairs, as this bot gives you only one correct signal on the asset. So be careful and trade with a cool head, using money management when trading with this bot. I'm switching to Euro Ruble. Let's also open on the Euro Ruble without technical analysis. I fully trust this bot, as I know that many traders are already trading using artificial intelligence. I am requesting a signal in Euro Ruble. The payout on the asset is 92%. The bot analyzes this situation and gives us a sell signal in the upper range, after a long correction in the market, opening downwards to within a second. With 57% confidence, the bot gives us this signal here. The price is below our entry point. We opened here in the upper range, thus adding $600 to our deposit account. I boldly restart this bot and move to the Euro Turkish Lira. Also, without technical analysis, I will open on this asset of the Euro Turkish Lira on our screen. I am adding this currency pair. I do not forget to set the expiration time to 15 seconds. I also remind you that a video about 5-second candles is available on my YouTube channel. Pullback movements prevail on this asset. The boss reads this situation in a couple of seconds and gives us a sell signal, opening with 68% confidence. Further along this downward trend line, a slight correction in the market occurred a little earlier. Now, the pullback movements to the last minimum value are trying to push the price of this asset. In a matter of seconds, the price closes in the lower range, thereby adding $773. Literally, one entry point remains for us until the cherished ones. I have $1,000 on deposit, so I boldly reset my instrument and move to the British fund and the Japanese yen. I'm also going to open the last entry point on this asset without technical analysis. British fund, Japanese yen on the screen. Payment of 92%. I earn steadily and daily with this tool. We see that the price is moving along the ascending trend line here, and this situation is being read. Our payout has dropped to 91%. And the gadget gives us a signal that a correction will soon take place in the market. The price cannot move without correction, only upward. So the pullback movement begins to prevail on this asset. In a matter of seconds, there is another increase, and the coveted $1,000 on our deposit. Literally $50 is not enough, but there is nothing terrible there. There is already a small increase for this trading session. Let's take a look at the history of this trading session. We started trading at 2:38 p.m., and in just 10 minutes, we were able to earn over $900 on the broker, all thanks to the signals from this bot. I also remind you that this bot is absolutely free. It does not require any investments from you. The broker does not forbid you to trade using third-party tools on it. Therefore, feel free to go to the Telegram channel, read reviews from other users. You will also see all the reports on trading with this bot there. Thus, you will be able to earn steadily today. This bot works everywhere and it is absolutely legal. So feel free to come to the Telegram channel and bargain on your own. Well, you are on the Ryan Trade channel. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also support this video with your comment. Well, I wish you all successful deals. See you all soon. All bye.